Okay, so guys, I'm gonna be doing a little tutorial on the smarterasp.net. So basically, you go into get start, just start a 60-day free trial. Just entering your first, your name, email, and then just click, sign up. And then from there, you'll get a verification email, which will be sent to your. Okay, so from there you just click this link to activate your account. Log into your account. Okay, so now you're logged in. You see this dashboard right here. So what you want to do is you just go and click this, try now, and then from there you just finish this little new hosting account information. And this one, I don't know, you just name it anything you want. I'll just name it with my name, and make sure to click ASP.net. Make sure to click this to say that you're not a bot. Click next and submit, and now it will just load. It might take a few minutes. Okay, so now you just wait for this, finalizing your hosting account. Okay, so after everything loads, you'll get to this dashboard right here. So what you want to do is you click on the control panel. Okay, so you're gonna get to this dashboard, or this page right here, and then what you want to do is you want to go and create your database. Well, I deleted this one, so just make sure you go in here, budget. Oh my god, I don't know how to spell budget. Set password. This I just left it default 500. Submit, and there you go. You have your database set up. What you want to do is click on connection string examples, and you see your connection string right here. And to connect to your management studio SQL server, I'm using 2014, so that will start loading up. And then from there, your server name is pretty much right here. So this is where you find it, is the data source, and then you just put in your ID, which is this. So you just copy this, go in here, make sure you change it to a SQL Server authentication. Then from there, type in your little password, connect, and you should be able to connect into your database. Pretty straightforward, and you should see your database right here. And basically, you don't have anything in there right now. So you going back into your. Okay guys, so you want to go into your project and then go into your web config, which is this right here. So you can find it like all the way at the bottom. So all you have to do is just I comment my old one out. So just copy one of these, and I already have mine. So you have that. Now all you have to do is go back to this, which is your database page, and what you want to do is click on the connection string examples, and you'll select this. So make sure you copy this right here. So you just copy it and then go back into your project and just paste it inside of your connection string like how I did mine, and just change the password to it. And if you want, you can change the name of your connection string. So I just changed mine to budget. And after that, make sure you change the name inside of your identity model, which is inside of your model folder. So right here, just change it to whatever name that you name your connection string. And then down here, if you have it, it should connect. If not, then just refresh. All you have to do now is just go into your package manager console, which is your PowerShell, and just update database. And this should generate all your tables for you. Okay, so now it's complete. Refresh, and you see it's refreshing, it's creating all your table for you. So everything is basically there. You can go and do the same thing here. You can just refresh. Okay, refresh, and you can see that it's doing the same thing here. So you get all your tables. Okie doke. And from there, all you have to do now is go into publish, and you just go back up to profile and make sure you select custom, and you want to save, sure. And now you just create a new profile name. So I'll just call it budget, budget 101, and server name is basically, oh, I'm still here. Actually, go to your website, and then you should see show web deploy information, and you should see this right here. If you don't see this, then make sure you click on for the VS status, so make sure it's on. And your server is basically this server URL right here, so make sure you paste that in there. And site name is basically this one right here, so you paste that there. Username is this right here, and password is basically your account password. Okay, so here, make sure you don't have any space, because I get that issue last time and it took me like forever to figure out what was going on. So make sure you have no space in front of your username or site name. And then from there, I don't know, I just save the password. And the destination URL is this one up here. So this is where you want to go. And just paste it in here. And now just to check your valid to see if it's connecting. Okay, so it failed. Okay, so it's having an issue with the HTTPS. So you just, for me, I don't know why. I'm not too sure why, but instead of server, just take out the HTTPS and colon dash dash, and that's what I did. So you just go back and verify, and you should get a check. and now you just have to go. Alright, so you get to this page right here, and then what you want to do is you want to go to the file publish option, and then here I usually just check precompile during publishing. And since I don't have anything in the app data folder, I just left this empty. And then you just select your database, and yep, check. Just go to next, and then right here you get here, just start preview, so just run. Okay, so you're gonna have more than me, more stuff in here than me. I just have a few because I did this already. So what you want to do after this is just publish, and let me see. Your publish might take longer than mine, but then after everything is done, then your website should come up, and there you go. It's published. This is a really ugly page. What the heck? Anywho, yeah, everything should work. This is really ugly. Yep. There you go.